Looking to save some extra cash without much hassle? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into 5 smart money-saving swaps you can make this week. You know, it's not always about making drastic changes. Sometimes, it's the small, consistent tweaks that add up to significant savings over time. The best part is, these tips are super easy to implement. No need to wait for months to see the difference. You can start saving money within the next 7 days. Let's be real, we've all been there, standing in the aisle, mesmerized by the colorful packaging and promises of brand-name products. But let me tell you, more often than not, the generic or store brand option is practically the same product, just without the hefty price tag. Think about it. You're paying for the brand name and marketing, not necessarily for superior quality. Switching to generic options for everyday items like cereal, canned goods, cleaning supplies, and even medications can save you a bundle. Trust me, your wallet will thank you, and honestly, you probably won't even taste the difference. Eating out is convenient, I get it, but let's face it, it's a surefire way to drain your bank account. Cooking at home, on the other hand, is not only healthier, but also a massive money saver. I'm not saying you need to become a gourmet chef overnight. Start simple. Meal prepping is your secret weapon here. Spend a few hours on the weekend prepping some meals for the week, like overnight oats for breakfast or a big pot of soup for lunches. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce food waste and have healthy meals ready to go. Plus, think of the sense of accomplishment you'll feel. Let's be honest, when was the last time you actually watched cable TV and didn't just flip through channels aimlessly? In today's digital age, cable is becoming obsolete, and frankly, it's a huge waste of money. Streaming services offer a plethora of entertainment options at a fraction of the cost. From Netflix to Hulu to Amazon Prime Video, the choices are endless, and you can tailor your subscriptions to your viewing preferences. Ditch the cable bill and embrace the world of streaming. Your wallet and your entertainment options will thank you. I know, the convenience of your own car is tempting, but have you considered the hidden costs? Gas prices are no joke, and let's not even get started on maintenance and parking fees. Public transportation or carpooling can be game changers for your budget. Imagine slashing your monthly transportation expenses by using the bus, train, or even finding a carpool buddy. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce your carbon footprint. Talk about a win-win situation. We've all been there, signing up for a free trial and then completely forgetting to cancel it before the charges kick in. Those sneaky subscriptions can add up without you even realizing it. Take some time this week to go through your bank and credit card statements and identify any unnecessary subscriptions. Gym memberships you don't use, magazine subscriptions you never read, or that meal kit service you've been meaning to cancel. It's time to say goodbye. Unsubscribing from unused services can free up a surprising amount of money in your budget. There you have it. 5 simple yet effective money-saving swaps you can make this week. Remember, small changes lead to big results over time. Try implementing these swaps and track your savings over the next month. You'll be amazed at how much you can save without even trying that hard. Now it's your turn. What are your favorite money-saving tips? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks to help you achieve your financial goals. Until next time, stay savvy with your money.